the arctangent x. Derivatives over derivative x equal arctangent minus 1x equals 1 over 1 plus x squared. If you, sa differentiable function of x, then derivatives over derivatives x, arctangent minus 1 u equals 1 over 1 plus u squared times derivatives of u over derivatives of x. Find the derivatives of y is equal to tan minus 1, 6x.
Ito na lang, cut mo na lang. O, ang unang rule, hanapin yung value ng u. Nakaroon siya. Diretso ka lang.
Ang unang rule is hanapin ang value ng u. Y over derivative x is equal to 1 over 1 plus 6x. Ito po siya. Times derivatives over derivatives of x, 6x, equal,
Ano ba?
equals 1 over
Erlinda, ganun mo.
1 plus 36x squared kaya po siya naging 36x squared kasi po times siya ng 2 beses. So, ito na siya ngayon. Equals times 6 equal 6 times 1 is equal to 6. Tapos, pagbabaliktarin lang po siya.